Hey guys, so it's day number 14 dito sa ating challenge. Today ay pag-uusapan lang natin yung mga nangyari for the past 24 hours. Meron tayong mga open positions na available. And yung WLD iniwan ako, pero I will check other entries siguro maya-maya. Meron tayong mga open positions, Dodge, as well as Algo. Sobrang interesting nung retest and bounce ni Algo, no? Kasi nasa golden ratio yon. So pag-uusapan natin yan, yung golden ratio dito sa video natin today. We have useless as well. So yan yung mga open positions natin. Yung date ay kahit pa paano nagsisink in doon sa strategy natin. Na-discuss ko na yung pinaka-payday rule sa ating YouTube. Sa my members tab yon. So, na-discuss ko yung idea ng payday rule, guys, no? So, today is April 14. And, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin. Turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel, guys, no? So, yun. Isa sa mga discussion siguro natin is yung golden ratio retest nitong si Algo, dahil maliit lang yung na-allocate ko dito dahil nga sa balance natin, remaining balance natin, nag-down tayo ng 10k 11k, 10k something. So after we hit 100k, nag 20k tayo, and then after 20k we reach 55k, and then bumagsak ulit tayo ng 10k. So every time na may hit yung threshold, parang nagre-reset lang din yung pinaka-setups ko, yung mga emotional entries. I get some insights, I get some lessons behind it. And yung golden ratio pala, no, napaka importante yun. Siguro yung pinaka lessons din ng patience. Doon mo masusukat yung kung gaano ka disiplina, no. Dahil nag-antay ako ng retracement 0.5 0.5 Fibonacci retracement is one of golden ratio na tinatawag, no. So once na nag-bounce yung price action from the rally, we observe kasi ng pump kay Algo, and then after that price retrace, no. So from the start ng pump, and then measure mo lang siya from the start ng pump hanggang doon sa resistance na nag-start na magkaroon ng pagbagsak ng presyo or nagkaroon ng retracement, and then kukunin mo lang yung 0.5 na golden ratio ng Fibonacci, and then there's a high probability na pwedeng mag-bounce yung price action, guys, no. So yun yung pinaka-idea ng discipline, patience, and yung Fibonacci retracement. If you are willing to wait, and if magkakaroon ng bounce dun sa zone na yon, hindi pa rin totally guaranteed, guys, na I mentioned nung probabilities. That's why I have SL pa rin doon sa 0.5, below 0.5. I think, if I'm not mistaken, like 4% down, 4-5% down yung pinaka-SL ko. And right now, running yung Algo. So far, yun yung decent profit right now after re-entry, no. So other updates pa for Dodge and useless. Yun, na explain ko na yung pinaka payday rule kung paano siya nagwo-work, no. So nasa YouTube naman natin yun. If you select yung members tab, ayun, doon siya naka-upload yun. Matagal ko nang na-upload yun. And speaking of Alchemist pala, I will be transitioning sa Discord, no. So feel free to comment Discord if gusto nyo na mag-join sa Discord natin. I will be transitioning sa Discord kasi doon sa una kong journal, limited lang yung pwede kong ma-execute at mailagay, no? So I'm planning, or I decided to transition sa Discord. So you can join. Nag-add na rin ako ng channels doon. High Prio for live stream. So you can join naman doon, guys, no? And yeah, I think pretty much it for our day number 14. So far we're on a positive side ng trades natin, and hopefully magtuloy-tuloy. So if hindi nyo pa napapanood yung other day natin, kasi dito we share realistic scenario, guys, no? So from stop outs, from losses, from bounce back, and other lessons na nakukuha natin dito ay share dito sa ating challenge, guys, no? So yun lang for today. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Kita-kits tayo sa day number 15, guys, no? Yun lang. Peace out. Bye for now.